I just disgusting. I just woke up. Mitch has a cold.
Yeah.
It's 4 o'clock. I just woke up.
I woke up at basically the opposite time. She woke up at 4 p.m. I woke up at 4 a.m. basically.
And I went to bed at probably 7 a.m.
I went to bed at midnight.
About.
So I only got about 4 hours of sleep.
Oh. Mom's making breakfast. My teeth hurt. The thing keeps going in my lip and making cuts.
Your teeth hurt. My throat hurts. Let's see what hurts for them.
What hurts for you?
Mouth, nose, eyes, belly.
That's not a word.
What?
Bread is moldy.
Good morning.
Good morning. Do we want
Did you
English?
just say breakfast moldy?
No, the bread is
moldy.
moldy.
Oh.
Do you want? Well, it's not moldy, but it's turning like white at the corner, so it's gonna taste it.
You can just cut that off.
I could.
That'll taste
No,
the
I
same.
can't. I threw it out to the birds. I could, but I don't think they care. Do you want English muffins or bagels?
English muffin, please.
Okie dokie.
Keep their medicine at birds.
Oh, very hot. Okay, you need to do dishes.
No.
Dishes.
Okay. Miss, you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay. Why is our house really dark?
Oh my God.
See? It's like... That doesn't change anything. Well... Yeah, but it's wasting light.
Oh, because we have those saver light things, so it takes forever for it to get set right up.
I just turn off the lights to save energy. And you just turn them back on.
Well, I have a better idea. Why don't you do dishes to save energy? Dishes save lots of energy.
I don't think that's accurate, but okay. Michelle Coffin Show! Presenting Michelle!
Michelle Coffin.
Ow! She just kicked me.
Well, at least be happy you're not a dude that I kicked at school. If I could kick them as well.
Okay, that's nice.
The only thing is, he actually blocked it. He told me to kick him, so I did.
Who?
Someone in my shop stole my cup.
My medicine?
My cup.
Oh yeah, we stole Mrs. Cup. Never let us borrow anything.
Another
We
cup.
just keep it forever. We do. Right, Mom?
We do.
Even candy. Like, if Miss leaves her candy over, you guys
Well,
eat
that we eat on purpose.
it.
The other stuff, not that we're keeping it. You can definitely have it back. I just don't remember where it comes from. Yeah, use it. It's up on the top shelf, just waiting for somebody to claim it.
Yep.
Good job.
And cat food.
Oh, don't say the C word.
Too late. Is the C word cantaloupe?
Cat food.
That's 2 words.
Not to whiskers. Oh, and Bella's outside. Go outside with Bella.
Bella looks like she wants to come in. They're coughing! Oh! Do you want to go outside? We can go outside and we can do a little dance. No, run away. Oh, no, that's not what I thought. Baby fork.
Because her other fork was wet.
No, because I wanted a baby fork too. Now your powder of non-medicines went back in your throat.
Flim.
Put this over the table.
Flam. I really thought they were going to put the elixir thing, on the pony's head. And it's like, Oh, what's that song? The Elixir song? Yeah. From Sweeney Todd. No, that has nothing to do with that. Wait, Mom, what's the Elixir song from Sweeney Todd? Help, put it. What? No.
Bad witch doctor, you lied. You're eating again.
We're eating again.
You are.
I'm eating again.
Hi, Whiskers. Why are you staring?
And then
Hey, Boo, they're being seasick.
Who's being seasick?
Packmates.
Yes.
Huh?
Seal from Black Butler. He's an Earl.
What am I? I shall become a demon.
You want to be Sebastian?
Not really.
Claude?
I don't watch the show.
They're both demons.
I ship the German guy with the Australian guy. But they're not even German. Australian.
One is American,
Okay.
which is Bodroy. Bodroy.
Yeah, him. I ship the chef with Trevor.
He's not Trevor. It's Finnegan.
Oh, I call him Trevor.
Also known as Finny.
I call him Trevor. He should to try. He looks like a try. Doesn't he look like a try? See,
He looks like a girl.
He looks like a try. See, I don't watch this show. And I do that. If I ever watch a show and I'm not sure on like the character's name, I'll just rename them. I don't care what their name is.
Bad.
I rename like everyone named Jack from Lost. I have a huge crush on Jack. You have a huge crush on your water bottle. Are you a praying mantis?
No.
No. Because you ate your bottle?
No, it's not because I ate my water bottle. It's right here, you baka!
Plastic isn't good for digestion. Or that pain. I think I'm going to go.
Yeah, fine, I'm going to. I'll be back.
No, that does not mean you leave. Fine, take it.
Say what?
You don't remember that?
What?
Jumanji? Oh,
What?
how could you?
You make no sense. I remember the kid growing a tail.
No, that's not what you should remember.
But it was cute!
Not doing any dares for Monday because she is sick.
Stimulate the growth, sir. You can have my oath, sir. 'Tis unique. Rub 'em in it, stimulating in it. Soon you'll have to thin it once a week.
Pardon me, man, what's that awful stench?
I'll be standing near an open trench.
Must be
Pardon me,
standing
so
near
what's
an
that
open
awful
trench.
stench?
Pirelli's miracle elixir. Anything will slick, sir. Soon sprouts curls. Try Pirelli's when they see how thick, sir. You can have your picks.